Now we come to question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread and to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. See, the well is in the form of a cylinder. It is dug. The height of the cylinder is 20 meter and the diameter is 7 meter. Now by this earth that was kept out from the cylinder, a platform is formed in the form of a cuboid. The length of the cuboid is 22 meter. The breadth is 14 meter and we are to find the height of the cuboid. Now see, for well, height of cylinder is 20 meter, diameter is 7 meter. Now we will find the volume of the cylinder because that volume will give us the earth kept out from the well. That earth was used to form this cuboid, that is the embankment around the cylinder. Therefore, the volume of this cuboid will be equal to the volume of this cylinder. For well, height of cylinder is 20 meter, diameter is 7 meter, radius will be 7 by 2. Volume of earth digging is pi r square h. Pi r is 7 by 2 because the diameter is 7, then the radius will be 7 by 2. Pi 7 by 2 whole square into 20. Pi 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. It comes out to be 245 pi cubic meters. Now we find the volume of the dug earth used to make platform around the well in the shape of cuboid. Length of cuboid is 22 meter, breadth is 14 meter, height is h. Now volume of cuboid will be L into B into H, that is 22 into 14 into H. Now volume of earth dug is equal to the volume of cylinder is equal to the volume of spreaded earth in the form of cuboid. Volume of earth dug is equal to the volume of cylinder is equal to the volume of the spreaded earth in the form of cuboid. Now volume of earth dug, that is volume of cylinder, is equal to 245 pi and it is 22 into 14 into h. From here we get the value of h. H is equal to 245 pi divided by 22 into 14. It is 245 into 22 by 7 into 22 into 14. After solving it, we get 5 by 2, that is equal to 2.5 meter. This is the solution for this question. Now we come to the next question. That is question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug. 14 meter deep. 3 meter, 14 meter is the height and 3 meter is the diameter of the cylindrical well. The earth taken out of it has been spreaded evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find height of embankment. Now the earth dug from this cylinder is spreaded around the cylinder. Then this embankment will also like a hollow cylinder with width of 4 meters. See here, this embankment will be in the form of hollow cylinder with width of 4 meters. Now 3 meter is the diameter of the cylinder. it means that the inner diameter of this hollow embankment will be 3 meter and the width is 4 meter. Then 3 by 2 will be the radius of the inner radius of this hollow embankment and the width is 4 meter. Then the outer diameter will be equal to 3 by 2 plus 4. See here, for well, diameter is 3 meter, radius is 3 by 2 meter, height is 14 meter for the well. Then volume of earth taken out will be volume of well, that is pi r square h, pi 3 by 2 square into 14. Now we come to the embankment. For embankment, inner radius is 3 by 2 meter, outer radius is 3 by 2 plus 4, that is 11 by 2. Now volume of embankment is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Now we are to find the volume of this earth that is used in this embankment, in this hollow cylinder that is used, that will be equal to the outer volume minus inner volume, because this embankment is hollow. Then the material used is only on the sides of the only on the sides of the inner cylinder. It means that we are to find the volume of this outer cylinder. Then that will be equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder to get the volume of the embankment. Therefore, volume of embankment is equal to volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. That is equal to pi r square h minus pi r square h. This r is the radius for the outer cylinder and this r is radius for the inner cylinder. The height will be same in both of the cases because height is same in the embankment from inner side and from the outer side. Then pi r square h minus r square h. Pi is common from here. It is r square h minus r square h. H is also common, then it is pi r square minus r square into h. We put the values of capital R and small r. Pi 11 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square into h. Pi into 121 by 4 minus 9 by 4 into h. Now after solving this we get pi into 121 minus 9 by 4 into h. It is pi into 112 by 4 into h. Now, volume of earth taken out is equal to volume of embankment. Means pi 3 by 2 whole square into 14 is equal to pi 112 by 4 into h. Now pi will cancelize and from here we get the value of h, that is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. It is 9 by 8. Then h is equal to 1.125 meter. This is the solution for this question. You can see question number 4. This is the solution for this question.